Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. And today, a workshop with Lois.
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove.
And by the way, on Friday we have a glamour workshop with Shayna, and we already have one of the props in. It's gonna be fun. We always try to do stuff a little bit differently and more challenging, and that's only one of the props. There are gonna be a lot more. And if you're in the Netherlands, we have one seat left for that workshop. So head on over to the website and register. It's gonna be awesome. Okay, now as you know, we now finally got fiber. One of the things that's incredibly cool for me is updating my portfolio. Now I have my portfolio on SmugMug, and normally I didn't upload that much for the very simple reason I want to upload in full res because it's also a little bit of my backup, but it just took so long because the files are like 10, 11, 17 megabytes, and well, that took about 1 or 2 minutes per image. And that was actually when we had luck, because normally it was actually a lot longer. So let's see what happens now that we have fiber. So we have a lot of images here that I want to upload. I'm going to drag it to SmugMug, and there we go. That's just insane. And again, if you already have fiber at your house, you probably know these speeds, but for us, fiber always was the only option, because download is, well, we can accept a lower download, but upload for us is so incredibly important, probably also for your company. So when you have cable or ADSL, you always have a fast download and a slower upload. For us, fiber was the perfect solution because we had really fast uploads and really fast downloads. In our case, 100, 100, and it's more than enough for now. So, just wanted to show you that. Oh, and of course, check out my portfolio on SmugMug. I'll leave the link below because we just uploaded a lot of new images. Oh, and we have a lot of Adobe updates. Should I install them? Why not? It's fast enough. Okay, that was the last joke about fast internet, I promise you guys, but it's a huge change for us. So, Lois is here. We're going to start the workshop. So enjoy today's episode of Behind the Closed Doors with the workshop with Lois. Okay, that was the workshop with Lois, and it was actually a 3-on-1 workshop. Now normally of course we have groups and we have the 1-on-1 workshops. This was a 3-on-1 workshop. So I'm now going to retouch the images, and for you guys that actually means that we're going to show the results right now.
I'm still in the ashes when you get dressed and leave. Oh, I better look for matches before it starts to feel. I will burn it down, I will burn it down. This is not my home.
Okay, those were the results from Lois, and well, that was behind the closed doors for today. Tomorrow we have a demo day at Galumet for Tether Tools. So tomorrow another episode of Behind the Closed Doors. See you tomorrow. If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel, leave comments below, and of course smash that like button. Well, because we really like that. See you again tomorrow. Bye guys.
Turn on every siren. Still you can hear me scream.